in software testing. So this is a medium for each and everyone to learn, unlearn, and relearn. So, all right, so I'll be taking you through the training schedule or agenda of this training. So the training is kickstarting today, and I'm looking to having like 3 sessions to be able to cover this curriculum. So the first session covers API fundamentals. We're going to learn about HTTP methods, API terminologies, HTTP status code, and collection, environment, variables, and how you can incorporate AI into creating test cases so you can deliver high quality products on time. So, I mean, you can deliver a working API to your business team. So the second session will be about automation with Newman, GitHub basics, then installation of Newman with NPM. Then the final class will be on building a Jenkins pipeline. So after automating our APIs, we should be able to integrate into Jenkins, and by a click of a button, we should be able to run our regression tests seamlessly. So then the final lap of this training is there will be a mini project. So I want us all to put our minds into this training. So I have everyone's data. So if you've not registered with the registration link, so I encourage you to register, because I'll be using that to like share us into groups. So where we get to work on an open API, then you'll be applying all what you have learned in this training. Then there'll also be a presentation where each group will nominate a team lead, and you hello. I think there's an interference. Are you hello? Sorry, please, can you mute? I think someone's mic is on. Okay, so the major purpose of this training is to ensure that QA professionals are mentored properly. So you see the essence of collaborating, because I earlier mentioned that we are going to be shared into groups. So as QA professionals, I believe no one is an island of knowledge. No one knows it all. So I think through the collaboration, we'll be able to learn more things and the latest technological trends in software testing. So let's move over to the agenda of today.
Go.
We shall be going to API fundamentals. Please, someone's mic is on. Please, can you put off your mic? There's an interference coming from your end. API. So a program is involved, an interface is involved, and an application is also involved. So API is a way of communicating between two applications, where the applications might differ in platform. So we have the front end part. You can see the diagram that is here. I would like to use this as an illustration. So we have the front end part. So then we also have the back end part. So I would like to cite an example for the newbies amidst us. So like, for instance, most of us have banking applications. So like for instance, let's take First Bank app as an example. So you have your mobile app, for instance, FBM mobile app. So there's a front end part. When you log into your app, you see where you can transfer money. That platform is called the front end part of the application. Then there's another part called backend, which is not visible to you as a user. Then there's a middle layer called API. So that is what connects the front end and the back end of the application. So let's use a customer order as an analogy. So for instance, you enter Sweet Sensation today. So you want to order for fried rice and chicken. So on get, like I said, as a customer, you walking into Sweet Sensation and you are interested in ordering for fried rice and chicken. So on getting to the restaurants, you will see a waiter. So you give the waiter takes your order and take it back to the chef and the team to prepare your order. So in this instance, the waiter is the API. So you as an individual, you're requesting for an order. You are like sitting in the front end interface. Then the chef and the team that prepares your order, they are the back end. So I think with this analogy, I'm able to make justice to the explanation of application program interface. I don't know if anyone asks a question before I proceed. Is everyone clear about what API means? All right. I'll take that as a yes that everyone understands. So to add, API is the business logic of every application. So without your API, your application will just be based on designs. In other words, it will not be functional. So the functional part of an application makes up an API. So let's continue. So another API terminology we have is web services.